Take a PSD and export all the layers into separate image files without using Photoshop. This is my first question here, and I'm not sure if this is the appropriate site for my question, but here it goes. If this is not the correct site, please direct me to the correct one. I have a PSD file. I simply want to extract the layers from it into separate image files. I do not have Photoshop, and I've already used up the free Photoshop trial. I am running Mountain Lion on a MacBook Pro. I have installed GIMP, but I can't figure out how to do what I want. I have searched using Google, but have been completely unable to find a tutorial showing me how to do this. I would really appreciate instructions or a link to an appropriate tutorial. I have seen some answers here, but they simply say use GIMP, which doesn't help me.
If you don't want to install any plugin, do this using GIMP open source tool. Select the layer and copy Ctrl+C or Edit and GT, copy. Then, select and GT, File and GT, Create and GT, from clipboard. This creates a new document from the copied layer, or you can just make the layer you want the only thing visible. Then, select and GT, File and GT, save as ... Then go down to select File Type, by extension. In the box where it says All Images, select that box and go down to Ping Image. Ping.
There is a tool from Telegraphics called Sparse that should do the trick. Here's a link to the version I used, where you can go to the website for the latest version for your operating system. This URL.
You can export layers to assets like PNG, JPG or SVG from a new service called Extract that is in Adobe's Creative Cloud. You don't need Photoshop. You can try it here, this URL. You'll need a Creative Cloud login, but even free accounts can use the service. Log in to creative.adobe.com/files. Upload a PSD. Go to the Extract tab. Select any layer and extract an asset. You'll need to extract each asset individually, at the moment. No way to do it all at once.
There's a plugin for that, Export Layers as PNG. It adds an entry to the File menu, Export Layers and GT as PNG.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.